Hello, this is my 1971 VW camper rebuild. I'm working on the electrical aspects of it right now, and I have pulled the wiring harness out and brought it down into my basement shop so that I can work on it. Spent many hours wiring this up to modernize it. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of what's here, and then later on I will show details of each part. So here is my Android 10-inch multi-function device, often called a radio in the past, complete with a wheel controller, speakers for the front, and antennae for the PKE function of the alarm. This is my Mega Squirt fuel injection system, which will end up back in the engine compartment area after it's all done. And this is one of my booster cooling fans, which will probably end up in the engine bay as well, along with my wiper motor is mounted here for test purposes. And this will be one of my upper speakers. I have 7-inch H4 conversion lights, which I have put LED light bulbs in. And my horn. I also have a front and rear dash cam, which has a lane departure warning and collision warning systems in it. These are the speakers that will be in the front, and this is the GPS for that device. I have a fuse panel, which is used to run the accessory position, since there isn't a stock one on the Volkswagen. There's a fuse box buried in there, which is a copy of the original one, using blade fuses. This fuse box is only for the accessory positions. Next to it is a temporary door switch. My siren is hooked up to flashing LEDs, as it's deafeningly loud when it goes off inside the building. And this little device is a light sensor, which I'll explain later on. This is my alarm system with a push start button. My central locking system. My light delay, so that my lights will turn on when I unlock and lock the vehicle for 30 seconds or so. My motor speed control for the motor you saw earlier on. This will be my right upper speaker, and my door locks. This here is the cruise control module, and it is hooked up over to my cruise control system, which I've added to the dash. Here is a clutch safety switch, and this is my brake wiring harness coming up here. On the back, I have a rear dash cam, as well as the normal brake lights, backup lights, etc., and a antenna, AM/FM, of course, with a power booster function built into it.